whammo, check it out. Downspout guards, we're going to be installing this in my front area. We got a little bit of a squirrel problem. For whatever reason, there are squirrels in our area that just like to use our downspouts. They run in there and they are packing some leaves and some nuts and some things in there, and so it is time to block them from being able to do that. We picked up this gutter downspout to try out. I'm installing it today and absolutely already think I'm going to grab enough of these to go around the whole house. Reason we grabbed this one is because it's white, matches our gutters. It also works for all sizes of most sizes of gutters. So you can do the 3x4 gutters or the smaller 2x3 with this simple insert and popping it in there, making it nice and easy, fits all your gutters. You're not having to worry that you've ordered the right or the wrong one. And honestly, some of our gutters are mixed and matched. So we do have some larger gutters and some smaller gutters. So I can just order all of these and no issue there whatsoever. The actual cage mechanism slides on and off. It's not going to fall off easily. You have to put a little pressure behind it to get it off, which is perfect for keeping rodents out. But again, once you've opened it up a little bit, slides in and out pretty easy to help clean it out. And it comes with the screws to keep it, make sure that it's attached and stays attached to your guttering. Nice and easy. It's everything you're gonna need. So if you're looking for a good downspout diverter, or excuse me, if you're looking for a good gutter guard, downspout guard to keep maybe rodents out, check this one out. I think you're gonna love it.